Hey guys, today I'm going to take you through a journey of how I built this new dog ramp. It was mostly Lily inspired because suddenly she does not want to use any of our dog stairs. I thought I had a really good plan, but I screwed up a lot along the way, so stay tuned and watch me fail a lot of times. I should also note I am not labeling this as a tutorial in any way. I screwed up a lot and it's still not perfect exactly how I would have wanted it, so I could see myself redoing this in a few months. Right now I'm a little bit burnt out, but maybe when the weather gets a little bit warmer, I'll try it again. Hey guys, today we are going to the Home Depot to get some supplies to make a dog ramp. Lily's been having some issues lately. She doesn't want to use our dog stairs anymore, so I'm going to see what happens. I've never made a dog ramp before, but I got a little blueprint made up. I don't know. We're just going to wing it. Lily. Hi, baby. Lily, you getting excited? You getting excited for your ramp? Alright, I just got all my pieces marked out. But I just noticed I need another one of these, so I gotta go back to the store. Hi, Bella. Is this fun? Yeah.
Okay, so you're going to put it down.
Yeah.
You're going to test it to make sure that it's where you want it to be. That's about right? That look good to you?
Yeah? Yeah, it looks like it's on the line.
I wish there was a way to hold it down, but okay. So what did you do to turn it on? You just did the thingy?
Push the yellow button circle in and then pull.
Oh.
Wow. Good job.
Okay, now you're going to flip it. Oh, it smells so good.
That's my sister.
Okay.
Just get it started. Alright, that was a little off. That's okay. Now I'm using a scroll saw to cut out the door, and whew, that is not going to be pretty. You can see how off I am already. So let's see what the finished look will be like. Here it is. Don't be too jealous of my fine craftsmanship right there. Kidding. Alright, now that the hard part is over, I will start putting all this stuff together. I am so mad right now. I screwed the ramp on wrong. I should have, instead of screwing it on top of the sides, I should have screwed the sides to the side of the ramp. Whatever. But anyway, so I went to take the screws out to redo everything, and yep, I stripped 4 of the 6. So I am headed out to the store right now to go get a screw extractor, and hopefully that will do the job and I'll get back on course with this, because I was just getting ready to paint everything. This side's good to go. That's ready for paint. So yeah, I'll go get a screw extractor and be right back. Okay, I am back home now. I went to Tractor Supply and they really didn't have much of anything. The only thing they had was this for screw extractors, and I'm not too thrilled because it's by As Seen on TV, so it's probably some crap, but I'm getting really desperate because I don't feel like going back out to Home Depot. So I'm going to take the gamble on it and hopefully it works. Okay, I finally got the screws out. That definitely did not take 10 seconds. It was way worse than that. But they're out, and I re-screwed the ramp, so we're back on track. Except I'm a little bit concerned because this board is like leaning in for some reason. I don't know why. I really don't. Come here. Come here. Come look at this. Come here. Look at this ramp. Whoa. So cool, right? I mean, it's a little dysfunctional. Day 75. Still working on ramp. Or at least that's just how it feels. This project has been very frustrating. Very frustrating. I'm getting closer to being done, but I keep running into problems. Like, this is something fun that just happened. So I was drilling out a hole to put this in, to make it all fancy and whatnot. There's going to be one here, one there. I was going along great, and then the drill bit just broke, and now it's stuck in there, and now I'm really at a loss. I have no idea how to get that out. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do. Never experienced this before. Ugh. So, I will figure out something with that. And then, I need to get the rugs down. And because I cut this wood really bad, I'm gonna try to cover up my mistakes with some more trim. I know I had said earlier in the video that I was going to add some white trim over here to hide some more of my mistakes with cutting the wood. The trim it wasn't working out, it wouldn't stay, and honestly I didn't feel like drilling anymore. So as I was putting the rugs down, I thought, oh, I'll just add more. So I don't know, maybe it looks okay, kind of shabby chic. Hey Lil! Do you like that? You know, if you go to your right a little bit more, you'll have more room and you won't have to crouch. Pretty girl. And also, of course, I had this area where the drill bit broke off in the wood. It is still in there. I decided I'm done and I'm not trying to take it out at all. So I just screwed it in over there. And then I just tried to fill in the hole with lots of paint, but as you can see, I got more work to do on that. So here's my original plan. I basically just brought a tape measure into my room and decided how tall I wanted the ramp to be. With my bed, I wanted it to be pretty level, and then how far I wanted it to go. And then I also thought it'd be cool to add a little hideaway, which this one has been using a lot. Very good, Bella. So I thought, hey, this will be pretty easy. It looks very simple. So I went to the store and got some stuff, and the rest is history. Okay, now for the true test. I'm 90% happy with the ramp, but if the dogs don't use it, then I'm screwed and I gotta make another one. So let's see if they like it. Alright, this is attempt number 1. You ready, Lil? Can you come up here? Who's gonna come up this ramp? Okay, Bella's good. Good. Come on, Lil. Come on. Go. Come on. Come on, Lil. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Yes, there you go. Come on now. Come on. Come up here. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Bella. Look at. Come up here. Come up here. Bella. Come on. Cheater. Cheater. So as I had kind of feared, Lily really wants nothing to do with the ramp. Bella's doing really well with it. She's going up and down it. I'm going to give Lily a couple more days to get used to it, and probably just keep doing what we're doing of me picking her up and putting her on the floor at night. And then I'm going to have to make a new ramp. I mean, that's just it. I know I made it a little too steep. Once I was like putting the ramp together, I was like, ooh god, this is like a bit much. So now I know what I need to do differently next time. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and maybe learned from my mistakes, and I will see you in the next one.